Hello, good morning students. We have finished chapter 16 how the United Nations works, and today we are going to discuss exercise. Okay, let's start exercise, and after that we will discuss about question answer. Now today exercise. Today we will do exercise. Take your book, pen, pencil, and first option A. The given. Pick the correct answer. Exercise A option, take the correct answer. First, there are, now you have to fill about how many main organs of the United Nations. There are you have to fill here main organs of the United Nations. You have to say correct answer 6, 5 or 4. How many? 6, 5 or 4. Then your correct answer A means 6. 6. Okay. Now number 2. This option is correct. You can see in your book also. About the correct answer 6. Second, how many permanent members? How many permanent members are there in the how many permanent members are there in the Security Council? Tell me correct answer. Your options are given 10, 15. No, it's wrong. How many permanent members are there in the Security Council? Your options are 2, 3 or 5. How many? 2 wrong. 3 it's also wrong, and 5. There are 5 permanent members in the Security Council. Means your option correct option C. How many? 5. This option is correct. 5. Number 3. How many elected members are there in the Security Council? options are 10, 15 and 8. What will be the correct answer? Here asking elected members. We know there are 10 elected members and 5 permanent members, total 15. But here asking only elected members are there in the security council. What will be your correct answer? 10. 10 members elected and only for 2 years. Then what will be your correct answer? Question is, how many elected members are there in the security council? Your answer option A, 10. 10 option is the correct option. It is not coming. Then we will write here the correct answer. This answer is not coming. Shortage of the space. So here we write option answer A, 10 option 10 answer is the correct. Third answer here 10 elected members country 10. Note down student. After that we will do next exercise. Note it. Have you noted? Okay, after that, about next question. Now, number 4, the elected members are elected for the elected members or elected for how many times, how many years, 2, 3 or 5? What will be the correct answer? Elected members country elected for, I have told to you, it is only for 2 years. Now your correct answer will be option B. 2 years. This option is correct. 2 years. Number 5. Which of the following countries Which of the following country is a permanent member is a permanent member? Which of the following country is a permanent member of the Security Council? What will be your correct answer? Your options are India, China and Pakistan. You have to say about the permanent member among the India, Pakistan and China. What will be the correct answer? Your correct answer option B, China. China is the correct answer. Now, number 6. Which are the following nations Which are the following nations is not a permanent member? Is not a permanent member of the Security Council of the Security Council. What will be the correct answer? Your options are France, Russia and India. France is a permanent member. Russia also is a permanent member of the Security Council and India is not a permanent member. Then your answer will be option C. Is the correct answer, India. India is the correct answer. You take the correct answer, finish. Take the correct answer, finish. Note down. Have you noted, student? Okay. Now about next question, fill in the blanks. We will discuss next question. Now, B option, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. First, such as first point. See in your book, student, about fill in the blank. First point, such as given, the headquarters of the United Nations are in. Headquarters of the United Nations. Where is the headquarters of the United Nations? What will be your correct answer? I am writing here your correct answer, whatever you have to fill in your sentence. First sentence. The headquarters of the United Nations are in New York. You have to fill New York. Now, second, in the first you have to fill New York. Second, the official language of the United Nations are English, French, Chinese, Russian, and two more language you have to write in that blanks. I am writing here correct answer. You have to fill Spanish, and Arabic. You have to fill Spanish and Arabic. Okay? Now, number third. The representatives of all the member countries of the Union meet at the where all the members meet. All the members meet where at the General Assembly. You have to fill in the third general. Now, number 4. Note down all the points. Such a type question will come in your half yearly examination. In your examination, coming in examination, so you have to fill in your book. Clearly you have to fill. I have written here the correct word, whatever you have to fill in your book. In your fill in the blanks, such as first, New York. Second, you have to fill Spanish and Arabic. Third, General and Assembly again has been given in your sentence. General Assembly. Note down, student. Now about number 4. The WHO has helped to eradicate disease like WHO, you know, such as the name, World Health Organization, the work control to disease and eradicate disease like what will be here the correct option? Eradicate disease like smallpox. You have to fill here smallpox. Now number 5. The main aim of the which organs spread knowledge and also caring of the art and architecture monuments, old monuments. Then you have to fill in the first blank UNESCO. and all the spelling will be in capital. U N E S C O. You have to fill. UNESCO is the spread of knowledge and preservation of. In the first, you have to fill UNESCO and in the spread of the knowledge and preservation of. In the second, fill in the blanks. You have to fill art and architecture. Art and architecture. In the first blank, you have to fill UNESCO, and second fill in the blank, you have to fill art and architecture, and in the last put full stop. You have to fill UNESCO, and in the second fill in the blanks art and architecture. You fill in the blanks finished. You have to note down. Note it, student, very clearly. Note it. First, New York. Second, Spanish and Arabic. Third, general. Fourth, smallpox. Number 5, in the first blank, UNESCO, and in second, art and architecture. Okay? Fill it, note it. Have you done, students? Have you done? Okay, note down all the exercise and student, rest of the exercise such as match the column, full form, we will discuss in the next class. Okay? You have to note down today exercise and rest of the exercise we will discuss in the next class. And for the homework, this is your homework. You have to complete your exercise. It's your homework. You have to clearly note down in your book. Okay? Thank you. Have a good day.